guys and girls, in this video we're going to take a look at the best handheld vacuums. I've made my research and this list reflects my personal opinion, and I've listed products based on quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for an entry-level option or the best product money can buy, we may have the product for you in this list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The products mentioned are in no exact order, so be sure to stay to the end so you don't miss anything. Also, if you want a chance to win one of the handheld vacuums in the video, just subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell, and leave a comment with the hidden word in the video. We will pick a winner and notify them when we reach 5,000 likes. Okay, so without further ado, this is our pick of the best handheld vacuums on the market right now. Coming in number 10, we've got the Bissell Pet Hair Eraser Handheld Vacuum. Looking for an ideal device to zap off spilled pet food or fur shed on the couch? Bissell created a handheld vacuum made for anyone with fur babies in their lives. Just as its name implies, this handheld vacuum is an absolute beast at removing pet hair. Even if you have multiple pets or a husky that never seems to stop shedding. During our test with the vacuum, the motorized brush head worked fantastically at removing pet fur from a couch. Its battery lasted an impressive 17 minutes before dying, and its bin is easy to empty and it's large enough for multiple vacuuming sessions. Number 9. HOLIFE HM036E. The best handheld vacuum for bare floors that we tested is the HOLIFE HM036E. This handheld model is lightweight and comes with a storage rack that makes it easy to store in your closet or a counter. It feels sturdy and doesn't incur many recurring costs because only one part, its allergen-trapping HEPA filter, should be replaced regularly. It has a fantastic performance on bare floors, where it easily cleans pet hair and debris like rice and cereal. It also comes with a crevice tool to help with cleaning narrow spaces. Its continuous battery life of roughly 20 minutes is decent, and there's an indicator light that flashes when the battery is running low. This vacuum also delivers a decent overall performance on carpets, which is helpful if you have the occasional rug to clean. There's also a liquid nozzle for sucking up spills, but we don't test it currently. However, if you want a handheld vacuum for spot cleaning messes on your floors or countertops, this is a great option. Coming in number 8, Shark Rocket Pet Pro. The best handheld vacuum for carpet that we tested is the Shark Ultra Cyclone Pet Pro Plus. This cordless handheld model is a great choice for spot cleaning, as it does a remarkable job of cleaning everything from pet hair to debris like baking soda on both low and high pile carpets. It's well built and easy to maintain, with very few parts that require routine servicing. Since its dust cup filter is the only disposable part, recurring costs are pretty low. It's also lightweight and small enough to be used in far-off areas, like the inside of your car. It comes with a crevice cleaner, a hard bristle brush, and a turbo brush to deal with everything from stuck-on dirt to messes on furniture upholstery. Its dirt compartment is relatively spacious for a handheld appliance too, though it provides just over 10 minutes of battery life on a single charge, which means you'll need to work fast when dealing with large messes. Its versatile performance and compact design make it one of the best multi-surface vacuums that we tested. Coming in number 7, Myu Cordless Handheld Vacuum. If you're as concerned with wet spills as you are with dry messes, you want to consider one that can clean up both, and this Myu vacuum is a great option. Weighing less than 2 pounds and featuring a 23-minute battery life, it's easy to handle and maneuver around entire rooms without having to recharge. The attachable crevice tool comes in handy when cleaning nooks and crannies around the house. Also included is the brush attachment, which works best on carpets and upholstery. And paired with this model's impressive suction, this feature makes one of the hardest vacuuming tasks a snap. Number 6. Metrovac Professional High Performance Handheld Vacuum. Bagless options offer convenience and ease of use, since they're easy to empty and cheaper to maintain, but bagged alternatives offer certain advantages too. especially to those who deal with allergies and want a vacuum that efficiently traps and seals in dust and dander. This Metrovac is one such alternative, featuring a 12-foot cord, powerful suction, solid steel construction, and 2 attachments that tackle messes in hard-to-reach places and on upholstery. It weighs 2.7 pounds, and the fact that it works just as well on carpet as it does on hardwood makes it a surprisingly versatile and compact option as well. Coming in at number 5, Shark Wand Vac Handheld Vacuum. The Shark Wand Vac is a worthy investment not only for its sleek, lightweight design, but also for its powerful, high-efficiency suction. Although the Wand Vac weighs less than 1.5 pounds, it can capture small and large debris equally well, and its one-touch release design means you won't get that dust all over your hands when you clean it out. Since it can run for about 10 minutes at a time on full charge, the Wand Vac is best suited for quick jobs around the house or cleaning out the car. It comes with a crevice cleaning tool that's ideal for sucking dirt and grime from tough spots, a multi-service pet tool, and a charging dock. Coming in number 4, DeWalt Cordless Vacuum Kit. Unless you live in a truly fascinating home, you probably don't use a wet-dry vacuum every day, which means you might also own a different handheld vac for more routine spills. But if you need the flexibility of cleaning up frequent wet spills, the DeWalt Cordless Vacuum Kit is an excellent choice. Weighing 7 pounds, it's pretty heavy, but it has a top-mounted handle that lets you carry it around while you're cleaning, or just set it down where it's needed. It has dual cleanup modes that allow you to utilize either the front utility nozzle or the extendable rubber hose. As the name implies, you can use it to clean wet spills, suctioning solid debris and liquid into the half-gallon tank at the same time. It also has a washable HEPA wet-dry filter that traps 99.7% of dust particles, so debris and pollutants aren't dispelled into your air when you use it. And conveniently, it runs on a 20-volt battery that's compatible with DeWalt's power tools, so if you own any of those, it's easy to interchange them. Number 3, BLACKDECKER Dustbuster Advanced Clean Plus Pet. The BLACKDECKER Dustbuster Advanced Clean Pet Plus is the best handheld vacuum in the budget category that we've tested. This cordless handheld vacuum does a superb job of cleaning debris on bare floors and performs decently well on low and high pile carpets. It also comes with a motorized turbo brush that can be used to clean pet hair from upholstered surfaces. This vacuum has a fairly spacious dirt compartment, especially for a handheld vacuum, so it shouldn't need to be emptied too frequently. It can run for almost 30 minutes if used in its most energy-efficient power setting, though this drops to just under 15 minutes if you run it continuously in its high-power boost mode. And it's worth noting that the battery life can vary in the real world. It feels decently well built, and few parts require regular cleaning. Though this vacuum doesn't come with any sort of bristle brush, so you have to be careful when cleaning delicate surfaces to avoid scratching them. Otherwise, this vacuum's versatile overall performance and affordable price make it a good option for spot cleaning. Coming at number 2, Dirt Devil Scorpion. Not everyone wants a cordless handheld vacuum, so if you're not diligent about keeping it charged, you'll inevitably find your cordless Vac's battery dead just when you need it to clean up an unexpected mess. And batteries fade over time, delivering less power after a year when they're brand new. That's why you might want a corded vacuum like the Dirt Devil Scorpion. This traditional handheld has an especially powerful 7-amp motor, since the Dirt Devil doesn't need to worry about running the battery down too quickly. This vacuum holds about 15 ounces in its dirt bin and has a triple-level filter. One nice feature, it has a particularly long flip-down crevice tool built in. Weighing 3.75 pounds, it's on the heavier end of the scale, but not especially uncomfortable to hold. And you can get up to 16 feet away from your outlet thanks to an especially long power cord. Number 1, BLACKDECKER 20-volt Max Lithium Pivot. The BLACKDECKER 20-volt Max Lithium Pivot PDH 2000PL has more suction than any other cordless handheld vacuum we tested, apart from the super expensive Dyson. which is now discontinued on Amazon. In our tests, it easily picked up cereal, dust, sand, and other common messes quickly, and it's strong enough to pick up pet hair without special tools. The strong suction makes up for the pivot's 10 minutes of no-fade runtime, which is below average. With the extra cleaning power, that runtime should be just enough for you to tidy up the interior of a 3-row minivan or SUV. The pivoting nozzle makes getting into crevices, such as in between car seats, a lot easier than with a traditional dustbuster. We especially like the all-in-one design with no attachments to lose. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide for the best handheld vacuums. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments, what is your favorite one? And if you like this content, don't forget to subscribe and get notified when we launch new videos. Thanks for watching. Peace.